Out here watching Alejandro's game. Footsock versus, I don't know. We're in Valencia? We're in Port St. Lucie right now. Just chilling. Watching this game. I get anxious during soccer games. What's up, cutie? Babe. We made it to the beach.
After like a year, we haven't been to the beach, and we brought a special guest.
Ay, cosita.
Even though
So we just put her in, okay, so Mila, let's explain Mila's story. Mila likes water, she likes being in sand, she likes being in grass.
Clubs and all that.
She likes the leash. So we decided, we're like, oh, okay, like let's bring her
and turn her into
the
a Florida
beach.
cat. You know, because we're in Florida.
Because she has another cat. This is, by the way, it's her cat, not my cat. This is her kitty that she got in December for Christmas. She loves everything that has to do with the outdoors. So we decided to bring it to the beach so she could test it out. And then this lady decided to come and be a fucking beep, 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 motherfucking beep.
Yeah, like, she's like, I don't think there should be a cat here, blah, blah, blah. I'm just like, okay.
You guys are like animal cruelty, and we're like, what do you, like, we know our cat.
Yeah,
she
like,
likes
my
to be
other,
here.
like, yeah, my other cat also likes doing stuff and stuff. You just gotta get her used to it, obviously.
Yeah.
She's not gonna
Maybe
love it now, but.
So we put her in the water, and the cat just started laying down because she wasn't doing anything. She's about 4, almost 5 months maybe.
Yeah.
So we put her in the water, and then the lady came and she was like, oh my god, your cat, you're gonna kill it. And we're like, relax lady, like chill out. But whatever, it was this whole big deal with her. We told her to beep off. And now we're just chilling with the cat. And the cat, as you can see, I can't see, but
She's starting to move a little bit.
she's just there chilling. Look at her, look at that. Like, animal cruelty where, bitch?
She's all curious. She's just like, the noise of the ocean kind of freaks her out a little bit.
Yeah.
It's noises, because like cats are very sensitive to noises or like strong sounds, and like the ocean waves, like most probably you could hear it now, are like pretty strong sounds. So like she has to learn to like get used to that. But she's fine. Like,
She's chilling. This lady needed to relax.
And, yeah, like
She
just
made
so you
such a
know,
big
we're
deal.
like huge animal lovers.
Huge
We would never
animal
do
lovers.
anything to hurt an animal or scare them or make them feel bad.
Nope.
So. Hello.
Esa cosita.
Nashi, look.
Look. They won the tournament. Que lindo. Any words from the boys?
You know, I was really impressed with our performance. Even though we lost 5-0, it was well deserved.
Wait, I thought they won.
No, you won. They won. Other words, more words.
I think, what was the boy on the other team?
Oh, Sam. Class.
Brilliant, right back.
Man of the match, for sure.
3
out of 10.
Let's put the cat in the cup.
Easy. Let's put the cat in the cup. Let's do it.
No.
No.
I'm so confused about the accent. I was like,
So, are these the last words that we had from the men?
Well, if we put cat doesn't want to go in the cup. Oh, silly feline.
That's the cat. Last words? Congratulations, boys.
I'm gay.
congratulations to our champions.
Thank you.
Okay, so we are just gonna be talking to the camera and doing our makeup. My boyfriend's over there, like trying to rush us because we're gonna go out to eat. Hi. Shoot.
What?
I messed up.
Oh my god, Shannon.
I didn't put concealer on and I already put powder on my face.
Whatever.
She got mad at me because in my last video I was like, oh, Ivana like has the best skin out of my friends, and she texted me, she's like, I don't like your video. I have really good skin too. I thought it was so funny here.
I feel like I got stabbed in the back. Like, what am I doing?
You're gonna put this one that's like running out,
This one that's running out.
and this one,
This one.
and you're just gonna throw it all over your face. Okay, so like when I first saw like a lot of makeup in the beginning, Natasha would sit by me and like learn how to do it, and she would grab, like, let's say this brush that's for contour, and then after I would use it, she would go and stick it inside foundation. And so I would go back to use it, and then have foundation mixed with contour.
I was learning.
I'm going into the middle shade of this, right?
Contouring kit. Middle shade. With the green.
For you? You want green?
Just kidding. I don't know if I trust you.
Excuse me, what?
Just kidding. I trust you. I trust you. Go.
That was
green.
so...
Green me up.
That was so hurtful.
Make me look like the Grinch. You ready? And... Woo! Like, yo, the inner part of my eyes sparkle. Goddess.
Goddess. Okay, guys.
Bye.
We'll see you in a little bit. We're gonna go out to eat
Bye.
something.
Something Benihana that sounds like... Oh, wait. Benihana.
Benihana.
Sounds vegetarian.
This is happening.
I ended up eating half her steak.
Oh yeah, she ate half of my steak.
And what else
We
did I
are
eat?
in where are we?
Hokkaido.
Hokkaido. We're gonna do hibachi. Hell yeah.
Go to Japan.
We,
Getting the
where is it?
lobster tail, shrimp, and filet mignon.
She's gonna get the hibachi filet mignon. What are you getting?
Since I'm a fat ass, I'm getting the lobster tail, shrimp, and filet mignon.
What are you getting?
I'm just gonna stick to my hibachi steak.
No, please! Oh my god, don't break it on my head! Crack it over her head.
Don't move.
Let's try. Don't peek. Better not peek.
You showered, man.
This time I'm gonna flip, alright?
Close your eyes.
It's on your head. You have it on your head.
So you said you wanted to try it, right?
Oh my god.
Don't move! Oh, just stop it and just spin it. Oh, don't move! Don't move! Ouch!
Yes.
Alright, zoom in. Focus on this one.
You got it.
No sound effects there. One more.
Good.
Well, move your mouth.
Pro, one
Like a
time.
pro. You get it.
One time.
Oh man, this is that.
Alright, that's it.
No, that's it.
Gotta keep up the trend.
Oh!
What is this?
Yeah.
Mommy, what's up?
One more time.
Pero abre la boca.
We're kind of being little scaredy cats of like
The water's
the water
freaking
'cause it's
cold
so
as hell.
cold, and it's like 9 in no, it's like
It literally is 9 in the morning right
so,
now.
like,
And we
the sun's
came
not even out.
we came to film my intro because I forgot to do like, oh, like, hey guys, what's up?
This is gonna force us to jump into the water.
This is true. It's gonna wake us up.
Yeah, because we
Burn
look
it?
like shit.
At the count of 3.
Okay, are we like just running? Or are we
running.
just gonna? Okay.
1,
Doing this for the video.
2.
I expect a subscribe for this. I'm gonna be freezing.
Okay, ready? 1,
2,
3. So, my best friend is an idiot, and there's like, we're in UCF right now, and there's like 1, 2, there's 3 different pools. One of them is gated, 2 of them are gated, but this gate's always open. The other one is gated, and she locked the keys on the inside, so now we're outside of the gate. Look at her. I'm so disappointed in you right now.
and we back.
Those were my ninja moves.
Sure, Shannon.
Oh shit! Yeah!